Hey everybody, this is Ken back with another video. I wanted to do a quick video of this accessory that I purchased. I couldn't get it on my last Model 3 car, but what it is a MagBak Rim Case. I got the 5 wheel pack in dark gray for the new Helix 2.0 wheels for the Model Y. I already have them on, but I did kind of test it out where you can kind of see how they protect your rims. They're very easy to put on. But let me kind of just show you what's in the box that I have in here that I'm going to have to change out a few of them. And we're going to see if it protected my rim. Let's go. It's really nice box that they ship it in. I really like it. And then if you look right here, it basically shows you what version that you have. In dark gray, it really matches exactly what my rims are, and it really does protect it. Since I bought a 5 case, I'm gonna have to buy some more. It does give you alcohol wipes that you need to wipe down. This is how they look. So I'm gonna take this off and just let you kind of see it. Really soft. So this will not damage your wheel whatsoever. And then right here, if you can see it, is a little 3M tape that'll ensure that it will adhere to that. I can rarely tell how they look from afar that they're on there, but the closer you get, you'll kind of see it. These are the instructions, and it kind of gives you a QR code before you install them to show you how to prepare your wheels as well. But it's recommended to go clockwise around the rim, and they just snap in place. That's pretty much it, and they protect your rims. I think the price for them is not bad at all. Sometimes MagBak is running some specials, and I did get one on a special, but these dark gray ones are sold out almost immediately. There is no affiliation with MagBak. I bought these myself. So let me go ahead and show you. You probably can barely tell, but it's just individual pieces that is on here. They're not coming off at all. They haven't, and I've had them on there for a while now. Everything looks nice and smooth. It looks pretty much like a part of the rim for the most part, but you see right here there's damage that goes all the way down here. So that's affecting this part right here that wraps around. So that's 1, 2, and then a third. There's a little bit right here, and I'm not going to replace this one down here. You probably can't see that. Came right off. The rim doesn't look anything like that. So this pretty much took the brunt of everything. And the last one came right off. Easy. Look at that. So this stuff is not flimsy at all. So my rim looks good. So I'm gonna just clean my rim up a little bit and then put those 3 slots in. Alcohol wipe. I'm gonna just wipe this down and off. So you see how those look? There's no damage at all. So I'm just removing the 3M tape right now. You can see that. I got one done. You probably couldn't see it in the shot, but you'll definitely see this one. Just taking the 3M tape off here. See this part right here, it hangs a little bit. So I'm gonna put this bottom part behind there so it can grip the rim like that. Now I kind of just hold down on this one right here to make sure that it joins, and then just kind of push up just like that. And then the last one is the stem right here. This part has to go behind this one down here. There it is. So I already stuck it in there, put that back part on there, kind of pull up a little bit, and you hear it snap in. Simple as that. I have to get me more of these. And it's not just for the newer Model Y. It's for the previous generation of the Helix wheels that are lighter than the ones that I have. They darken them a little bit on these 2026, but they always seem like they have them in stock for the silver finish, not like the dark gray. Okay, so there you go. I kind of showed you how, I wish I had the Sentry Mode clips of me doing this and scratching this part up.
Through the fire, I could conquer the night if I can make it, if I try to.
It's like good as new, and it does protect the rim. Trust me, it does. And I just proved to myself. I didn't try to do it on purpose, but I know I wanted to make a video to pretty much show people. But you saw they got scratched up. The rim was just fine. If you have any questions, please let me know. This Ken. I'll see you in the next video.